Welcome to the Approach CT10 Getting Started video. In this video, we'll show you how to attach these trackers to your clubs and pair them with a Garmin golf watch. Installation is very easy. Simply screw the sensor into the hole in the end of the grip on your club. Screw in the sensor until there is no gap between the grip and the bottom of the sensor. Now, return the club to your bag. If you purchased the starter pack of sensors, Garmin recommends attaching these sensors to your putter and wedges to fill the shot tracking gaps of the Auto Shot feature on your compatible Garmin golf watches. For automatic scoring, a sensor must be attached to your putter to accurately detect the number of strokes. Now let's pair your Approach CT10 trackers and assign clubs for each with your Garmin golf watch. First, make sure sensors are attached to all clubs you wish to track. Now, take one of those clubs from your bag. Keep all your other clubs in the bag for now. From Settings, select Sensors and Accessories. Select Club Sensors. Then, Add New. Hold your watch close to the sensor, and the watch will then begin searching for the sensor attached to that club. A message will appear on your watch once the sensor is detected. Now, select the club to which this sensor is attached. A message appears telling you the sensor has been assigned to that club. Return that club to your bag and take out the next club. Follow the on-screen instructions on your watch to pair additional sensors until all sensors have been assigned to a club. To maximize battery life for your sensors, store your clubs in your bag in a dark environment. To learn more about your Approach CT10, go to garmin.com/golf.